Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to see VLSI laboratory, VLSI design laboratory. The first experiment in it is design of adders using Xilinx software. Okay, so this is the Xilinx software that we are using. So to create a new project, click on File, New Project. So now the adder we are going to do today is half adder. Half adder is a 2-bit adder. It has A and B. That is the 2-bit. The output will be sum and carry. Okay. So I am giving the project name as half add. Okay. Now press on next. Check all the properties over here. If everything is similar to this, then press next. Then now you have to add the source file. Click on no new source. So now click on Verilog module. Type the file name. That is half adder. Okay, dot v. So Verilog module will end with a name dot v. Give next. Here the input will be A and B. And what will be the outputs? The outputs will be sum and carry. Okay. Now press next. Finish this. Okay. Click on next and finish the module. Okay, after you will have a window. In this you will have the program. So we are going to do the Verilog module. So you have to write the program over here. So the program will be assign sum equal to A XOR of B. Then assign carry equal to A and B. Okay. Now end the module. Now save the program that you have typed. Press on save. Okay. Okay. Now create another test bench program you have to create to generate the simulation. So we are creating the test bench program. So for this, press on project in that new source. Now click on Verilog test feature. Okay. So give the file name. What is the file name that you gave there? Half A. Okay. Test dot v. Give finish. That's it. You'll have this window. So for half adder, you will have 4 combination because it's a 2-bit number. You will have 4 combinations. So 0 0 will be the first combination. Second combination will be 0 1, and third will be 1 0. Fourth will be 1 1. Right? Now save this test bench. Simulation. So click this test bench. Then here you'll have Xilinx INC simulator. Click on this. You have the first icon as check syntax. Click this. Okay, your syntax is correct now. Then click on simulate behavioral model. Oh, so this is the output. So when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, what will be the carry? A and B is equal to 1, whereas A XOR of B is 0. So this is the output. Okay, thank you. Thank you.